Today, I have an Illustrator text effect that uses gradients to make an awesome design in a matter of minutes. So follow along step by step and learn this neat and nifty Illustrator text effect. So as you can see, I've generated two different color squares, and you're going to want to choose a hue color and then a darker version of that color. Then press M for the rectangle tool and cover your artboard with the darker of your two choices. You can then press Command or Control 2 on your keyboard, which is going to lock the background layer down in place. Now we obviously need some text for our text effect, so press T for the type tool and then type out your text. Now I'm just showing you guys this effect with one letter today, but you can of course use as many as you want. Now today's Illustrator text effect can be achieved by using various different methods, and in fact some months ago I showcased a very similar effect using the transparency window and the transparency effects. But today we're going to be exploring a different method instead of the transparency window. So we need to outline the text, and I am aware this is destructive workflow, but today we're working with vector shapes and not actual editable text. Now press I for the eyedropper tool and sample the lighter of your two colours. And then press M for the rectangle tool. We're now going to make a gradient using these two colours, so go ahead and apply a gradient overlay. The technique here is fairly simple. Select your colour by double clicking it in the colour palette, and then copy the hex colour code at the very bottom by pressing Command or Control C. Then double click the darker side of your gradient and make sure that you're using RGB as the colour mode, because we want to paste in the hex colour code with Command or Control V. Now do the same on the other side with your gradient and your second colour choice. We're nearly ready to complete the text effect in Illustrator, so stay tuned. When you are ready, copy your lettering with Command or Control C, and then paste a duplicate right over the top with Command or Control F. In the Layers window, we now need to hide the lower text layer like so. There are several different ways to perform the next step, and you can simply draw in your sections, or you can cut them out from the duplicate like I'm going to show you now. So press P for the pen tool and then draw an area that you want to cut out. Hold down Shift and then select the letter as well, and use the intersect option in the Pathfinder window. Now you can use the eyedropper tool to sample the gradient above and adjust the gradient direction and the strength using the sliders. Also, you can press G for the gradient tool and just simply draw the direction and the strength of your gradient. The gradient tool is really awesome, so I suggest you use that. Now activate the hidden layer in the Layers window so you can see your text effect in real time. And as you can see, I need to blend mine in a bit more because it's not very good at the moment. Of course, you can also use the pen tool and make sure one side of your gradient is 0% opacity. Then simply just draw in your shading over the top of the lettering and adjust your gradient as you see fit. And that is essentially today's text effect tutorial by Satori Graphics. Like I said, you can use transparency effects and clipping masks and so forth, but on this channel I do like to explore all methods and techniques because they're useful in certain situations. After spending some time with this method, you can come up with an awesome and a neat text effect on your design in Adobe Illustrator. So try it for yourself and have some fun. Make sure to let me know what you thought of today's video down in the comment section below, and of course like and share my content on social media if you want to help out this channel grow. But have a great day, and until next time, design your future today. Peace.